Congratulations again, students. So candidates for the degree of Juris Doctor, I'm sure you couldn't wait for this moment. So Chancellor Gilman, I present to you the class of 2020. Each of them has completed the requirements prescribed by the ABA, the University of California, and UCI Law. And while at UCI Law, they've been partners in making this a very special and unique school. In addition to rigorous coursework, they've participated in countless student organizations, the Moot Court program, law review, student government, and so much more. And when it comes to public service, they have excelled. 93% of this class participated in pro bono work, completing almost 11,000 hours of pro bono work over the past 3 years. And despite the fact that they had to contend with the impact of this global crisis on their own lives, our graduates have been providing legal services to the most vulnerable in our communities, including seniors, domestic violence survivors, the homeless, those who are incarcerated, and those who are suddenly unemployed. And that's because that is who our students are. It's why they make us so very proud. And this represents just part of the pro bono work they've done, protecting vulnerable populations over the past 3 years, including fighting for justice for criminal defendants, seeking rights for those who are undocumented, protecting the homeless from over-policing, and protecting current and former members of our armed services in need of assistance. Almost 1/3 of this class will graduate with some form of pro bono honors. Now, to be eligible for this honor, each student had to complete a minimum of 120 hours of pro bono work over 3 years. 25 of them will graduate with pro bono high honors, meaning that they completed more than 200 hours. 3 members of the class of 2020 volunteered 300 hours or more. And finally, there is one student who volunteered more pro bono hours than any other student in UCI Law's history. That student is Emily Genslinger, who completed 608 hours of pro bono work. All of our graduating students have been wonderful partners in creating a vibrant law school culture. They are truly an extraordinary group, and I can say without hesitation that they will be excellent lawyers. Chancellor Gilman, I present to you the class of 2020.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the Regents of the University of California, I confer upon you the degree of Juris Doctor for which you have been presented. Congratulations.